Go. ¿Otra vez?
I know. 1296. Hi, baby. Whoops, don't fall. Don't fall. I know, we're going to bring you back to Mama's. That noise is so
That is the cutest noise in the world.
Hopefully he doesn't try and jump out.
Shall I get Gizmo out?
Yeah, probably.
Whoa.
What's your problem? What's your problem? You, I don't care. You're not getting my oatmeal. You don't want it. Listen, it's my oatmeal. No. Listen, you about to quit mouthing off at me. Get down and scratch my leg up. Look at all your kippers and bits right here. And you're trying to steal my oatmeal. The only little oatmeal I got this morning. What? I'm gonna call the police on you. What? It's not your oatmeal.
I loved you and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Sipping
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have a little kitty?
Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. I'm bored in the motherfucking house, bored, and I'm bored in the motherfucking house, bored. Hey.
Hi. What are you guys doing back here? Oh, have you had enough? Pop, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. Okay, let's go inside.
What am I getting out of doing this? Am I going to starve if I don't take a bath? Am I going to die if I don't take a bath? It's not a necessity like food and water. Basically, you're just wasting your own water bill for no reason because you want to fit in.
Yes, is she? No, she's not. You protect her? Do you love her, mommy? Do you? Nah. Bad girl.
I swear to uphold the Constitution and laws of the state of Washington and the city of Pasco as an official police canine.
This is Officer Taylor here. We are with Canine Eddie, who has officially been sworn in. Say hi, Eddie.
Hi.
You say hi?
He's very nice.
Oh.
Yes.
Too big for you, little man. Stop it. That's too big. That's for the snapper. Oh, you got your jaw locked on that.
He doesn't want to give up his gummy bear.
Give it. Come on, dude. Here, you can have the piece. There we go. There we go.
Here we go.
Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce. I'm just trying to get to the door. Just trying to get to the door. I'm just trying to get to the door. No, stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop.
My home for all seasons, so come on, let's go.
Get a load of this. These are twins with no dad. I don't even think we've ever done that before. These are two babies in one egg with no dad. Total parthenogenesis.
Put a red heart if you think I'm cute. Put a yellow heart if you think I'm fine. And put a blue heart if you think I'm ugly.
Rufus, you thick bitch. It's not playtime, it's bedtime. Okay, you fucking dog. Just go to bed, please. Here you go, right in there. Very comfy. There you go. You like that? You fuck. Just go to bed. You! Hey! You've pissed.
Okay, guys, so we got here some meerkats. And this is like sushi to them. Look at them. Oh, yeah, they're like crazy. So meerkats come from Southwest Africa, and they basically eat almost anything, but they love eggs. And the really cool part about them is they live in big colonies, so they colonize underground. And now what we got here is we got males here because if they allowed this to go full colony, it would be crazy. That it'd be exponential.
This is our no-eyed, one-eared cat named Donza. I found her at the Humane Society, and she had just had surgery to remove her eyes and ear. I fell in love with her immediately. I called my husband, and we adopted her right away. Raising an animal with disabilities isn't easy. It takes an incredible amount of patience, trust, love, and even money. Donza unfortunately had to have a few more surgeries, and we found out that she had geriatric kidneys, which could affect her lifespan. But to us, she's perfect. We could see her confidence growing each and every day. She loved exploring her surroundings and playing with toys, especially ones that made a lot of noise. Her favorite are these dog toys that make crunchy sounds. When we first got her, she didn't like to be held or touched. This was really hard because she's so cute and we wanted to obviously hold her, but we had to do what was best for her. After slowly introducing cuddles and pets, she began to trust us completely, and now we have a cat who loves to cuddle. We are so lucky that we were able to give this cat a safe and happy